Here, 04 Toyota Corolla walled, 4 zv3 18s, 20 cubic foot, tuned 32 hertz, 2 CT sounds, 7000s, nice amps, 6 batteries, got 2 75Ds and 4 40 group batteries, 240 McMahon alternator on them. Then we got the blues on the factory alternator, 2 of them. 500 by 2 Rockford amp on the 10s in the door. 6.5s in the door. All Rockford. Got a 1000 by 2 Rockford. Got another 500 by 2 Rockford. zv3 18s. Put out really nice sound quality. If it's supposed to shake, it's going to shake. If it's supposed to punch, it's going to punch. Not all music shakes. Never have to slow any music down. It does it. Nice sound quality. Tin cans of blow foam in the dash holding it down. Don't even move no more. Used to go in and out 2 inches. 1-inch steel bar, bracing windshield solid with 16 gauge lip for windshield to hold to. Thank you for watching Tent Master. A lot of time and effort, all done by me. Thank you for watching. Aye.